Your instrument cluster display, or ICD, provides important information about systems and features. It contains a speedometer, power charge indicator, battery percentage indicator, range to empty, vehicle information, and more. Use the steering wheel controls to browse the menus and submenus. Push the left and right arrow buttons to cycle through the main menu items, and push the up and down arrow buttons to cycle through the submenus of the main menu items. Push the OK button to access or select the information or submenu screens of a main menu item. Different main menu items that you can choose from are Driver Info, which can show you information related to your driver assist features, if equipped, trip information, and Speedometer. Audio. Head-up display, to turn the feature on or off and customize various settings. Messages, that show any stored warning messages. Settings, and vehicle info, for information such as energy economy and tire pressure. You can change the cluster layout by pressing the Layout button on the steering wheel. Choose between Classic, Modern, Center, or Navigation. Make further customizations by going to Screen Setup under Settings and choosing which information you would like displayed. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.